Hello friends, today I'm showing you how IP Royal exactly scam legit or how exactly this working. This, as you can see, this website says passive income online, make passive money online by sharing your internet. So I'm just download this application 3-4 days ago, and really awesome results are I'm see here. But before that, we just read here. See, make money online. IP Royal enables you to make money instantly. All you need to do start generating incomes is to create a free account and install our app. So same way I'm just installing this app, and you see here this is the unapparent, means it's like the no logo, but here is the name, you can see IP Royal. So what you need to do is after installing just double click here and message appear like this, open IP Royal. So click on this, open IP Royal, the window will appear here, and here is the like the login details you just need to fill up, and after that the such a dashboard is coming in front of your in front of your screen. So well, currently my traffic sold is 0.026 GB and balance is 0.00, just because of why, because in morning I was actually requested payment via method and message comes here, as you can see IP Royal has sent you 1.32 USD. So of course it's a real website, and it's a legitimate, and minimum withdraw balance is 1.32 cents, I mean $1. So it's really worth it website. How exactly this work, you can see here the first, second, third and fourth, they are mentioned like this. Install the app on the device you wish to use and connect them to the internet. So I'm installing this application in my PC, and they say run the IP Royal Pawns app, which securely shares your internet connection with no access to personal data. So base, of course it's a privacy protected, and we are not worried about anything. We use your connection to gather bits of information from the internet. You can check the business cases to see more detailed explanation. This is the third point. Well, companies uses this gathered bits of various services like Netflix and etc things they using, and we don't worry about that anything. But the main part about like how much can you expect to earn, they say, they talk to us like this. So you are earning depend on the amount traffic in GB you share and how long you keep the application running on the IP Royal network. The longer you stay online, the more you earn. So as you can see here, I'm only sold that my internet is 0.026 GB, and yet almost my current amount is 1.32 they give me. So well, I can say this is the my dashboard. It's look like this, and well, if you have a PayPal account then it's great, and if you don't have then just create on PayPal account, or you can choose a BTC cryptocurrency too as a payment method. But remember, here $1.5 will be charged, and minimum withdrawal limit is $5. As you can see here, the message appear like this: the minimum request amount is $5. However, a 1.5 USD fee is applied, so you will receive 3.5 USD in BTC form. So overall, this website is, as per the my point of view, it's really awesome and great comparative to other internet sharing applications in background, because currently I'm running in my background like the Honeygain and IP Royal network. So well, you can see here the dashboard is I'm currently earning like my amount is $9.25. What I'm do here is I'm just coming here daily and clicking on that daily login credits, where I can show you here my payment history, transaction history. See here the honey jar will come appear with the message like if you are coming here daily, and they give us a little bit credits like 20, sometimes they give us a 50. You can see here the your honey jar winning. So it's a kind of the honey jar winning. They credit us up to $10,000, I mean sorry, 10,000 credit, which exactly cost is $10. So if you are lucky, then you will be got the $10 in just one click. Otherwise you will be got some like credits like 50 credits that worth it's of 5 cents, 20 credits it's worth only 2 cents. So it's not the great, but definitely a little cents makes the dollar. So well, that's how that Honeygain works. But of course, apart from that, this is the background application. So you can see gathered per day for May 8. So yesterday I was earn 38 credits from them, which cost almost 4 cent, and this 2 cents, 20 credits means 2 cents, so almost it's a 5 cents daily. And well, similarly you can see here up to now I earn 9.25 dollar. So basically, if you are running your device in multiple platform, like I'm running this Honeygain in like my Windows 7, and here's the Windows 7 too, and one of my mobile, you can add up to 10 devices and your earning will be boost. As you can see here, the data shows. So well, I think this is sufficient information about that Honeygain. The both websites are great. In Honeygain you can withdraw limit is $20. So if you want to join us, I mean just join this website, uh, then you can join. And just same as you can see here, this application is run in background, like this is the Honeygain and this is the IP Royal network, and both are running in background, they don't interrupted you, and of course they both are sharing your internet. And the main thing is, here is also the payout will be coming, I think. I'm not make sure how it's working about the payment, but of course when time come I will be show my payment proof. Currently my balance is $9.25, so I need to like reach that minimum payout dollar. But about IPROL, I can say you just quickly download this application, and definitely results will be you see in under 3-4 days, or max to max 5 days, depends on your internet connection. So I'm suggesting you just download this application in your PC. And of course remember one thing, don't download multiple devices using your ID, because personally I'm not using this IP Royal and multiple devices, so I can't say more words, because I'm as a beginner here too, like you. But my part is like, I need to show you the payment proof and it's legitimate or not, and how exactly it's working. So well, I'm showing as per my thing in this video. So if you have any query, I'm just clicking here the get details. You can see the PayPal account, my PayPal account, and here's my account, I mean here's my payment, $1.32. So like I told you in last I mean like I say, if you have any query, then let me know in comment box. And well, if you would like to join this both websites, then use my referral link. If you are using referral link, then you will be got here in Honeygain as a $5 bonus, because same way I'm using someone's referral link, and that's why Honeygain give me a $5 as a bonus. And well, once again I would like to tell you, here in this YouTube channel I'm beginner too, and I'm always giving you information and sharing my information, what I do and what I have actually. So whenever I found like the free without investment, like this kind of the website or applications, then I will be share with you. For now I can say take care and bye bye. Well, thanks for watching. uh, well, of course you can do your research by yourself, but these both websites are awesome, and IP Royal, it's definitely legitimate because they give me a payment, and after the Honeygain give me a payment, then I will be make a video, and then I will be told you. For now I can say the one more thing, that is you can affiliate your link. Currently my affiliate link I need to show you here. I don't use the affiliate link in my IP Royal network, and I mean this website. So this is your URL look like this. So just copy here and paste in your social media platform, and just share it when your friends or like any one of them use that link and get paid, then you will be earn a 10% commission. You can see you will get 10% every invited users payout amount. Please note that the users need to request payment before 10% of their earnings shows up in your affiliate dashboard. So message like this come. So basically I will be got little bit commission if you got a $1. Okay. So of course, if you are using this my referral link, I will be got a little bit commission when you are first payout will be released. and it's win-win situation for, isn't it? So well, I can say now once again, thanks for watching. Again, if you like this video, like it and subscribe me if you think this YouTube channel is worth it for making such a kind of this video. uh, well, for now, again, bye bye and take care. Thank you.